यूज कर पाते हैं. Because this aspect of our experience, our perception is remained uneducated, our perceptions get colored. Our behavior gets modified. In spite of you knowing the very best. अब ये मालूम है कि मुझे मेल चिम्प करना है, लेकिन मैं क्यों नहीं कर रही हूँ? बहाने बना रही हूँ बहुत सारे. और ये बहाने कहाँ से आ रहे हैं? ये affective domain से यहाँ पर affect कर रहे हैं. Without getting more into that, I think I've established enough that affective domain is affecting our perception. So first, in order to work with our perception, we need to tame and educate this domain. अब पूरी इसकी जानकारी हासिल करना की जरूरत नहीं है. Just like you don't need to know how electricity works in order to use electricity. You don't need to know exactly how the affective domain works. If you simply understand how to switch on, switch off, कौन सा connection कहाँ पर है, काफी हो गया. Which is what you're going to learn today. So first, what we will do is to educate the affective domain by using a very simple technique. And why did I make you measure the breathing? You all know that breathing and feelings are directly related. Our breathing gets all heavy and jerky, etc. when we are not in a very good frame of feeling. If you are feeling sad, we are dejected and all, or angry. Yes, all that affects our breathing. Our breathing is slow, smooth, long, and calm when we are in a nice, pleasant state of mind. Right? Because affective domains we are so ignorant of, we cannot assess it, we cannot access it. So through the breathing, we are going to assess our affective domain. So this exercise that we're going to do the first time is to help you see whether this technique, it is basically an emotional freedom technique, which having taught, I modify it into vritti changing technique, because affective domain needs to be tamed first. Sorry. So let us, your breathing has been measured. Now, without trying to understand the whole thing, just do as I do and say as I say. As simple as that. Okay? And let's see if it can help us with our breathing in any way. If there is a shift it can cause in our breathing. All right? So, what we will do is tap few points on our body. First point is this point, I will call it karate chop point. Karate, correct. Everyone, just let me see that you got the point right. Chipra, let me see you visual. Yeah, with these two fingers, first two fingers, yes, correct. Okay, get into a rhythm and maintain this rhythm. That's right. That's right. Vijay, I think you know it very well. Now, this rhythm we will maintain whenever, whichever point we will tap. We will be tapping a few points on the face, on the body, and then back onto the fingers. I will keep describing it, so you need not repeat the description, but whatever other statement that I'm making, like I'm going to make a statement about our breathing, that you repeat, okay? The point description is just for you to follow me accurately. Okay. Shipra, you'll have to keep your video on, just in case you might not get the point right. Yes. Okay. Let's begin and now repeat after me. Even though, okay, everyone is on mute. At least one person keep yourself unmuted so I get the tempo. Somebody one, okay, Chitra?
I can come?
Yes, please. Even
Okay.
though
Even though
I'm not breathing very well,
I'm not
I am
breathing
not
very
breathing very well,
I deeply and completely
I
deeply and
deeply
completely
Naranji,
and completely
love,
love,
forgive,
forgive,
and accept myself.
and
and
accept
accept
myself.
myself.
Even though
Even
Even
though
though
I'm not breathing very well,
I'm not
I
breathing
am
very
not
well,
breathing very well,
I deeply and completely
I deeply and
I deeply
completely
and completely
love,
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 forgive,
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 and accept myself.
and accept
and accept
myself.
myself.
Even though
Even
Even though
I'm not breathing very well.
I'm not.
I'm not breathing very well,
I deeply and completely
I
I
deeply
deeply and completely
love,
love,
forgive,
forgive
forgive,
and accept myself.
and
and
accept.
accept myself.
Tap the beginning of eyebrow point with both these fingertips. I'm not breathing very well.
I'm not breathing very well.
Tap this point at the end of the eyes. I'm not breathing very well.
I'm not breathing very well.
Very well.
Tap this point below the eyes. I'm
I'm-
not breathing very well.
I'm not breathing very well.
Below the nose, not breathing very well. One hand.
Not
breathing very well.
Chin groove, one hand. Not breathing very well.
Not breathing very well.
Now, here there are two bones jutting out on the collar. Not on those bones, but below them. Not breathing very well.
Not breathing very well.
The next point is below the armpits. So not in the armpit, but below the armpit. So on both the sides, below the armpits, with the tips of the first two fingers. Not breathing very well.
Not breathing very well.
On the lower ribs. Not breathing very well.
Not breathing very well.
Now, at the junction of nail and skin on the side of the thumb. Yes, just let me see it. Very often people get this point wrong. Okay, हाँ, correct. नारायण जी आप सामने कर रहे शायद. हाँ, side में, बराबर. अभी सही है. Correct. Yeah, Ashwani. Okay, Shipra I can't see. Sorry, not Shipra. Sweta. हाँ, correct. Correct, Shweta. Chitra, have you got the point right? Chitra, let me see. I can't see your thumb nail where you're tapping. That's right. Okay, thank you. Not breathing very well.
Not breathing very well.
Similar point on the forefinger. Not breathing very well. Yeah.
Not
Chalega.
breathing.
Take it, Shubhra. Middle finger. Not breathing very well.
Not breathing very well.
Little finger. Not breathing very well.
Not
Little finger.
breathing very well.
I skipped the ring finger. We came straight to little finger. Not breathing very well.
Not breathing very well.
Come back to karate chop. Still, I deeply and completely
I deeply and
Deeply
completely
and completely
love,
love,
forgive,
forgive
forgive,
and accept myself.
and
and
accept
accept myself.
myself.
I choose to breathe
I choose
I
to
choose
be
to breathe
slow,
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 smooth,
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 and long.
and long.
and long.
And I deeply and completely
I deeply
And I deeply and completely
love,
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 forgive,
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 and accept myself.
and
and
accept.
accept myself.
I choose to breathe
I
I
choose
choose to breathe
slow,
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 smooth,
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 and long.
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 And I deeply and completely
I
And
deeply
I
and
deeply and completely
love,
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 forgive,
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 and accept myself.
and
and
accept.
accept myself.
I choose to breathe
I choose
I choose to breathe
slow,
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 smooth,
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 and long.
and long.
and long.
And I deeply and completely
I deeply
I
and
deeply and completely
love,
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 forgive,
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 and accept myself.
and
and
accept.
accept myself.
Tap the eyebrow point. Slow breath. Take slow breath. Slow breath. Please say.
Nishana.
क्या हुआ?
So, what is that?
Slow breath. Slow
We have to
breath.
say?
Ah,
We have to say slow
yes,
breath.
say slow breath.
Slow breath.
Slow breath.
Yeah. Tap this iron point. Smooth breath.
Smooth
Smooth
breath.
breath.
Yeah. Below the eyes, long breath.
Long,
Long breath.
Tap below the nose, slow breath.
slow breath.
Slow breath.
Chin groove, smooth breath.
Smooth breath.
Smooth breath.
Below the collarbone, long breath.
Long breath.
Below the armpit, slow breath.
Slow breath.
Slow breath.
On the lower ribs, smooth breath.
Smooth breath.
Smooth breath.
On the thumbnail, that junction, long breath.
long breath,
long breath,
Forefinger, slow breath.
slow breath,
Middle finger, smooth breath.
smooth
smooth
breath,
breath,
Little finger, long breath.
long breath.
long breath.
Karate chop. And I deeply and completely
I
I
deeply and
deeply and completely
completely
love,
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 forgive,
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 accept,
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 respect,
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 honor,
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 and value myself.
and value
and
myself.
value myself.
Now on the shoulder, between this collarbone and the end of the shoulder bone, there's a soft spot here where you wear your brooch or a badge, na? Soft spot. Recognize that and massage it in rotational motion as you take a deep breath in.
Any side, right, left, any side?
Any left is better. And hold the point as you breathe out long from the mouth. Pay attention to your breath again and see how many points you would give your breath now. You can type it there and compare it. All of you are experiencing improvement. Anybody going down? I'm more concerned about that. Yes. Okay, Shipra, unmute yourself. How much is it?
I think around 7.
7. From 9 you went to 7, right?
9.
Said
What I
9
felt
earlier.
earlier.
Correct?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now you have to work along with me now. The rest of you can also do.
Can
In your
I go
mind, in
mute?
10, we are helping Shipra.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay. Yeah.
Is there any particular thought in your mind? Feel free to say. There is something on your mind?
No.
Nothing.
No, nothing.
Any impending stress?
No, when you were just saying, I was just saying it, and then my breathing got heavy. Nothing that I
Breathing
was.
got heavy. Breathing got heavy. Come. We can tap for Shipra along. Okay?
Okay.
The first step you will not do.
Okay.
He will do to be able to get along with you. Okay?
Okay.
Even though, all of you repeat.
Even though,
Yeah. Yeah. Karate chop. Even though I'm Shipra.
even though
I'm Shipra.
I'm Shipra.
I'm Shipra,
I deeply and completely
I deeply
I
and
deeply and
completely
completely
love,
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 forgive,
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 and accept myself.
and accept.
and accept myself.
Shipra, join. Even though,
Okay. One second.
Even though,
No, I'm just because. One second.
and don't hurt yourself this time.
Yeah.
Even though
Even though
my breath has become heavy,
My
my
breath
breath
has become
has become
heavy.
heavy,
I
heavy
deeply and completely
I deeply and completely
and completely
love,
love,
forgive,
forgive
forgive,
and accept myself.
and accept.
and
and
accept
accept
myself.
myself.
Even though
Even though
Even though
I'm breathing heavily,
I'm
I
breathing
am
heavy,
breathing
heavy.
heavily,
it's not comfortable.
It's not
it's
comfortable.
not comfortable.
I don't know why.
I don't know why.
I'm not even thinking anything stressful.
I am not even
any
thinking stressful.
I deeply and completely
I deeply
I
and
deeply and completely
love,
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 forgive,
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 and accept myself.
and accept
and
myself.
accept myself.
Even though
Even though
Even though
my breathing has become heavy.
my
my
breathing
breathing has
has,
become heavy.
I don't know why.
I don't know
I
why.
don't know why.
I don't know what's on my mind,
I don't
I
know
don't know
what's
what's on my
mind,
mind.
but I'm not comfortable with my breath.
but
I'm
I'm
not
not
comfortable with
comfortable with my breath.
Still,
Still.
Still,
I deeply and completely
I
I
deeply and
deeply
and
and completely
love,
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 forgive,
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 and accept myself.
and
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 accept
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 myself.
myself.
Tap the eyebrow point. Breathing is heavy.
breathing is
Breathing
heavy.
is heavy.
Tap the eye end point. I'm not very comfortable with my breath.
I am not very
I'm not very
Very
comfortable with
my
my
breath.
breath.
Below the eyes, I don't know what is stressing me.
I don't know what
I
is
don't know what
what
is stressing me.
Below the nose, breathing is heavy.
breathing is
Breathing is
heavy.
heavy.
Chin group, not comfortable with this heavy breath.
Not comfortable with this heavy breath.
Below the collarbone, okay. Chakra has gone out. Breathing is heavy. You can just keep
Breathing
tapping
is
there.
heavy.
Yeah. It's got disconnected. Yeah. Continue. We're waiting for you. Breathing is heavy.
Breathing is heavy.
Breathing is heavy. Chakra.
Breathing is
Breathing
heavy.
is heavy.
Below the collarbone, below the armpit now. Not comfortable, breathing heavy.
Not comfortable, breathing heavy.
On the lower ribs, I don't know what is stressing me.
I don't know what is stressing me.
stressing me.
Thumbnail, heavy breathing.
Heavy
Heavy
breathing.
breathing.
Forefinger, heavy breathing.
Heavy breathing.
Middle finger, heavy breathing.
Heavy
Heavy
breathing.
breathing.
Little finger, heavy breathing.
Heavy
Heavy
breathing.
Heavy
breathing.
breathing.
Karate chop. Still, I deeply and completely
Still, I
deeply
deeply
I
and
deeply and completely
love,
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 forgive,
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 and accept myself.
and
and
accept.
accept myself.
myself.
I choose to breathe
I choose
I
to
choose
breathe
to breathe
slow,
slow,
Slow.
smooth,
smooth
smooth,
and long.
and
And
long.
and long.
And I deeply and completely
I
And
deeply
I
and
deeply and
completely
completely
love,
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 forgive,
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 and accept myself.
and accept
and
myself.
accept myself.
I choose to know my mind
I choose
I
to
choose
know
to
my
know
mind
my mind
and be comfortable,
and be
and be comfortable
safe in breathing slow,
safe and breathing
and breathing slow
smooth,
smooth
and long.
and long.
and long.
And I deeply and completely
And I
And
deeply
I
and
deeply and completely
love,
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 forgive,
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 and accept myself.
and accept
and
myself.
accept myself.
I choose to breathe
I
I
choose to
choose to breathe
slow,
slow
slow,
smooth,
smooth,
and long.
and
and
long.
long.
And I deeply and completely
And I deeply
And I
and
deeply and completely
love,
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 forgive,
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 and accept myself.
and accept.
and accept myself.
Tap the eyebrow point, slow breath,
Slow breath,
tap the eye end point and say smooth breath.
Smooth breath.
smooth breath,
Tap the point below the eyes and say long breath.
Long,
long breath,
Below the nose, slow breath.
slow breath,
Chin groove, smooth breath.
smooth
breath,
breath,
Below the collarbone, long breath.
long breath,
long breath,
Below the armpit, slow breath.
slow
slow breath,
breath,
The lower ribs, smooth breath.
smooth breath,
Thumbnail, long breath.
long breath,
long breath,
Forefinger, slow breath.
slow breath,
Middle finger, smooth breath.
smooth breath,
Little finger, long breath.
long breath,
Karate chop. And I deeply and completely
I
and
deeply
I
and
deeply and completely
love,
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 forgive,
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 and accept myself.
and accept.
and accept myself.
Massage the tender spot on the shoulder as you take a deep breath in, preferably left shoulder. Gently hold the point and breathe out long from the mouth. The moment you have done the breathing out, you have stopped being Shipra. Okay? Yes. Now, Shipra, how is the breathing now?
Yeah. It's the same.
Still heavy.
Yeah, no, it's not heavy. I won't say it's heavy.
Achha, that heaviness is gone.
But
back to what it was to begin with.
when I started, it was almost at like a 9 level.
Okay.
But then obviously when you start sit down at place and you start doing something, you slow down your breathing, right? Because you
Correct.
are into it, right? So that's why I think it went down. And I'm in the same state because we're listening, we're doing something. So because when we started, I was not thinking anything, right? I was just generally focusing. And then obviously you start focusing on your hand, your shoulder, or your wherever you're tapping. And so, and we are still, since we are continuing in that process, so it's the same that if I say 6 or a 7, so it's the same.
Just while we are talking, you keep doing this, tapping at the back of this, these 2 bones built behind these 2 fingers. There's a space where all 4 fingers can fit in.
Where? Sorry, show me. I can't see your hand.
Back of your palm.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah.
On the little finger side between the 2 bones.
Yeah.
That.
Yeah.
Show me. That's right. Keep tapping it like that rhythmically, and in your mind, keep saying slow. I choose to breathe slow, smooth, and long. I choose to breathe. You say it in your mind while we are continuing to talk.
Okay.
4 fingers. Vijal, all 4 fingers there. I choose to breathe slow, smooth, and long. Okay. And we will continue with the conversation. Okay. Yes. So, one good news is that the technique works for all of you. There has been a small shift, whether positively or negatively. When the number increases, the rest of you, it's okay. Just let Shipra continue. So this is directly accessing this unaccessed, this uneducated domain of our life and living. So that is one part. And when this gets established, now each time I keep talking about my first level of program. In the first level of program, I only teach people how to access. Now what we did just now with what happened with Shipra, her breathing, instead of becoming better, became worse. That means that there is some stress which probably she is not allowed to reveal it to herself also. क्या होता है हमारे इन रोजमर्रा के जीवन में हम कुछ ना कुछ काम इतना ज्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट हमारे लिए कर लेते हैं कि we neglect ourselves. और certain aspect we say हाँ जब time आएगा तभी deal करेंगे. Particularly when we are taking a lot of responsibility and we are working. तो हम उस environment के हिसाब से अपना behavior कर लेते हैं और इसको भी हम ट्रेन कर लेते हैं कि अभी मेरे को इस टेंशन के बारे में बताना मत. तो your body listens, your mind listens, and it does not let it come up. So that is why that's happening. और फिर क्या होता है अभी जो हमने टेक्निक किया. Ananya, are you all right? Why did you mute yourself or shut the window? In fact, I thought Ananya, when she said she had a bad day yesterday. So I was afraid that, ठीक है ना? Because this is what happens. This is exactly what I'm trying to tell you just now. कि यदि कुछ ऐसा हुआ है जिसको हम, चल नहीं सोचते उसके बारे में. ये टेक्निक जब करते हो तो वो उभर कर आएगा if it is ready to heal. And it is that time we must heal it. अब ये healing कैसे होती है? All these points where we were tapping, what we have done is we have stimulated blocked emotional energy in these points. हम इसको योग की भाषा में मर्म स्थान कहते हैं और Chinese acupressure points. So these are important points in our body where energy, the nervous system, is closer to the skin, accessible, and there is energy blocks over here, which in the 2 cycles that we did of tapping, in the first cycle we acknowledge कि भाई ठीक है ये ऐसा हो गया है कि breathing बहुत अच्छी नहीं है. So once you acknowledge that, so that energy and you're tapping it, so physically भी काम हो रहा है, mentally भी काम हो रहा है, intention भी और feeling उसके साथ जा रही है कि भाई हाँ ठीक नहीं है. And then what we did was, it is like cupboard clean किया, तो सारा सामान उसमें से निकाल लिया, तो उसको वापस जब हम डालते हैं तो कुछ कचरा वचरा जब निकल जाता है तो उसमें जगह बन जाती है, और उस जगह को यदि खाली छोड़ दोगे ना, कुछ भी आके वहां बैठ जाएगा, तुम आलतू फालतू कुछ भी वहां रख दोगे. And therefore the second round is very, very important. What you choose in place of what has been removed. So the block energy has been made free, and now this energy is going to take its form or shape again. What shape and form it should take? We chose slow breath, smooth breath, and long breath. In slow, smooth, long breath, what is going to be your mental state? That is an automatic connection in our system. So that much calmer and better state of mind you will be in. But yes, if we have unattended some stress or something, then that will come up because you are opening the door to it. Ki aa jao, I can help cleaning. So that comes up. There are times when people have just started sobbing and they don't know what happened. But when you just allow yourself, ki okay, jaane do, jo hua dekh lete hain, it comes out, you actually have those thoughts coming back to your memory. The memory is revived and you can tap it off just like this. You just told me, Shipra, ki heavy feel ho raha hai. I added a little bit more to it, which was a very natural consequence of having to feel heavy breathing, right? And that vibe with you. It's very important that you be honest to yourself.
So
this one thing it does is to make you aware of where you stand, what you do, with your thoughts, with your actions, and with your feelings. Now, any questions? And Shipra, how are you? At least you should get back to your normal breathing. तुमने कुछ तो है जो बहुत दबा रखा है, जो कि निकलने को तैयार है, लेकिन तुम्हारा ध्यान दूसरी चीजों में है और अपनी तरफ नहीं ध्यान दे रही हो, which is what is waiting to come up. I would request you if you can do a session with me.
I think मेरा जो दबा, I can do it, but I think वही निकल के आएगा कि आप लोग अपना MailChimp कब करोगे?
हाँ, बिल्कुल, बिल्कुल. That is a cause of stress for you, no doubt. लेकिन जो भी निकल के आएगा, let me tell you. अच्छा, अब मैं, this is a very good context she has given.
Yeah.
Now, if I make her do this, this is her real tension. ये heavy breathing इसलिए कि अभी 2 वीक हो जाएंगे, इन सबको मैंने बोला है वेबिनार करवाऊंगी, और ये लोग अभी तक मेल नहीं कर रहे हैं, इंस्टाग्राम नहीं, क्या उसका नाम भी नहीं मालूम कर, तो वो ये कर नहीं रहे, मैं कैसे करूँगी? That can be a cause of tension. And
yes,
actually,
it's a big
what
tension.
will happen is, ये जब tapping करके, if this tension will be removed, she will actually find what exactly to say to Suchitra so that she will do it. She will know exactly what to say to Ashwini, and she won't even have to consciously think. It will be there in her subconscious because she's connected with all of us. And she will know exactly what to say and do so that each one of us will complete our work. That will occur to her very naturally because we all have answers to our questions. We all know what to do when that stress is gone. All of us have this in us. This technique only helps you to access it. And action taking is definitely your job. अभी तुझे पता चल जाए कि अच्छा मुझे चित्रा को ये कहना है ताकि चित्रा ये कर लेगी, उसको वो टेंशन नहीं रहेगा, वो कर लेगी. लेकिन उसके लिए you have to at least say it to her. ध्यान में आएगा, अच्छा हाँ बाद में बोलूंगी करके छोड़ देगी. So then that will continue. Then that stress continues. So taking that rightful action is our responsibility after having to settle the stress.
Okay.
Shipra minus whatever,
Yeah.
just looking hassled for some reason.
No, I am right now. मैं run करके आई थी तो मैं
हाँ.
आगे एकदम से बैठ गई तो don't go with
must
my
be that.
face. I'm like my
हाँ.
sweaty face and my.
No, it's not about face. It's, you just looked hassled. That's it.
Yes, you're
I'm
looking.
Made a
thinking.
mess.
I'm
Yeah.
So
thinking.
we are
Anna.
probably the cause of her hassle.
Oh
I
my.
will,
Could
I will
be.
agree. I will
मुझे ऐसा
agree.
लग रहा है जैसे,
And I definitely want to do one session for you. Please give me that opportunity. Please
Yeah,
allow me
please.
that.
No, we
Allow
can
me
do
that.
no problem.
Yes,
I'm
we'll
just
do one on
thinking.
one. We'll do one on one.
Chitra thinking
Yes,
what?
Ananya.
I have a point to make.
Please
I
make.
personally feel when you mention a point of stress, it kind of increases. I prefer
Yeah.
Yes, it will increase provided you have
when
not
you
been
actually
paying
spell
attention
it
to a
out,
suppressed.
Right.
when you
Emotion.
actually spell it out
Yes.
and name it, no, it starts coming alive.
So
Good.
Travel
when
now.
it is coming alive, you have to deal with it and remove it. Means that blocked energy is getting released for you to remove it all. थोड़ा सा निकाल के नहीं चलेगा. वो ढक्कन खोला ऊपर का तो निकल गया. लेकिन थोड़ा और है अंदर तो एक राउंड और करना पड़ेगा उसके लिए.
So I
Okay,
have a question.
sometimes I feel
question.
not thinking about it is better.
That is suppression. You can do that.
No.
You can do that.
I
जैसे हम कचरा कारपेट के नीचे दबाते रह सकते हैं. घर फिर भी साफ दिखेगा, लेकिन दिखेगा. होगा नहीं.
I want. So you know something or like what Ananya is
कई बार
saying.
है ना, listen, कई बार जो नहीं है वो भी हो जाता है.
ऐसा नहीं होता है.
Because somebody is
है
saying it.
वही निकलेगा.
Because somebody is mentioning it.
हाँ, बीजल कुछ कह रही है.
अच्छा.
So I told you pehle bhi, I practice lot of tapping.
Yes.
I do it whenever I'm stressed.
Correct.
Breathing ke saath mein I have never done
Breathing
it.
is used for introduction and for measuring.
Okay, so I only do kabhi bhi koi stress hota hai, suppose kal yesterday some situation kuch aaya, so I just do it even though this any situation I do this tapping like.
It is very good.
So it's very good and हाँ relief करता है, release करता है
Immediate
and
release
yes
होती है.
हाँ and yes starting में जब मैंने शुरू किया था tapping करना, and this is so tapping on head is an amazing if you know the.
Yeah, I don't do that generally unless
So I do this and this. This and
personally
this.
यदि तेरे ऊपर काम कर रहा है वो कर, because there are a lot of
हाँ.
people and therefore I have stopped calling it EFT.
हाँ, so EFT
Because
with this,
AFT वाले बोलेंगे नहीं उसके अंदर ये भी आता है, ये भी आता है. मैंने कहा नहीं, मेरे में नहीं आता.
अच्छा. So I do
Because I
this
don't
and-
stop at emotional freedom technique.
हाँ. So
I
I do
take it
this
forward.
and this
हाँ.
and yes this is मुझे ये कहना था कि पहले ये increase होता है आपकी
होगा.
breathing को भी increase करेगा, आपके anxiety level को भी increase करेगा and then धीरे धीरे when you practice it just
क्योंकि
goes
निकाल
up.
देना है. वो increase क्या
वो
हो रहा
निकल
है?
जाता है.
दबा हुआ जो है वो निकल के आ
वो
रहा है.
निकल रहा है, वो aggravate हो रहा है and then it goes.
Yes.
चला जाता है.
वो
So I
बाहर
would say
निकलेगा
कि वो
नहीं.
जो I would say कि वो जो
हाँ.
दबा हुआ है वो surface पे आना शुरू हो जाता है.
पे आना
That's why
शुरू
we
होता है.
feel हाँ. So
Yes,
that's
yes.
why we feel heavy and uneasiness. Yeah.
Yes, yes.
लेकिन वो
And then it
सरफेस के ऊपर
goes.
छोड़ना नहीं है, उसको निकाल देना.
हाँ.
हाँ,
Correct.
you
एक
keep
और
on
राउंड
practicing
करके
and
2
it will
राउंड
go.
3 राउंड निकाल दो.
Yeah.
एक बार मेरे पास एक लेडी आई. She was at 33 years of age. She was more than 90 kg weight. And she said, I want to lose weight with EFT. मैंने कहा ठीक है, let us start work. I know that weight loss is a huge issue. एक बार में 2 बार में तो होने वाला नहीं है. But I was so shocked. एक ही राउंड उसने मेरे साथ में किया. And she just started talking about the time when she was 3 years of age. How she felt neglected by her mother sending her away to Nani. And she's not forgiven her mother till date. But she refuses to acknowledge that aspect. That she hates her mother for having to neglect her like this in the childhood. उस एक की वजह से वो इतना सारा सबके लिए करती है. She's very large-hearted and helping out anybody and everybody. और बच्चों के लिए तो सारे परिवार के, मुस्लिम औरत है तो इतना बड़ा परिवार है उसका, ये इसके और ये उसके चचा के, मामा के, कितने कितने, everybody look at her for help, and she keeps collecting all those negative emotions of everybody and keeps bloating and keeps bloating and keeps bloating and keeps bloating. Whatever khati itna sa hai. How does she bloat so much? She eats so much of emotions. Yes. Just imagine, means wo itna uppermost tha, means all her memories were surrounded by this one memory. तो बाकी की सारा हटाने में वो 3 साल तक जाके उसको निकालने में it would take a long time, और उतना उसको patience नहीं था. But it has started working with her at the first go. When weight loss is one of the most difficult thing. And at another time, somebody came to me with her problem of her son. When we started tapping, that this is my issue with my son, he doesn't listen, this, that, and the other. And it came up that she herself was like this as a kid. And she continues to behave the same way. Her son has picked up her ways. तो मैंने कहा, बोलती नहीं, मेरे को मेरे son को लेकर आना है. मैंने कहा, पहले तो सुधर जा. And when she started working on this, she started losing weight, which she had done any number of things. So she didn't come for weight loss, but actually in 15 days, her clothes were hanging on her like on a hanger. Simply because she acknowledged the fact that yes, she is holding on to such and such memories, and she just started letting them go. Okay, yes, now I don't need them. That time I collected it because I needed it. इतना सिंपल सा है. अब मैं बताऊं, मैंने ये जो कर रही हूँ उसके अंदर शिप्रा के साथ में, तो टेंशन तेरा थोड़ा सा मेरी तरफ से कम हो जाए. I having spoken to you that day कि भाई अरे मैं अपनी ही टेक्निक नहीं यूज कर रही हूँ, I did it and I could do that Kanva thing. I posted it on the Facebook after doing this. कि मैंने माइंड में बिठा लिया था मैंने, क्योंकि बरसों पहले जब ट्राई किया था नहीं हुआ था कि मेरे से नहीं होता है, किया. और फिर बाद में मैंने आधे घंटा के अंदर वो बनाए मैंने 4 पोस्ट और पोस्ट किए. देन सेम थिंग विद मेलचिम्प. 2 दिन से ये करने के लिए भी वो इंटेंशन एक तो थोड़ा तो चाहिए ना, वो नहीं आ रहा था. तो बैक ऑफ काम करके पहले वो इंटेंशन के लिए तैयारी की. देन आई डिड दिस एंड आई वर्कड विद मेलचिम्प. आई साइंड इनटू मेलचिम्प यस्टरडे. So it works like this.
So basically, it's like not releasing your stress, but how to do anything or any outcome, the path how to free your mind to be able to do the task that you are wanting to do.
That
Right.
is the emotion.
Yeah.
And
So
therefore I
isn't
call
that
it stress. Stress
yeah?
is that.
So I think if we go back to the reason that we did that, which was your
Yeah.
program wala,
Yeah.
I think we should not use the word stress then. That's what I feel. What I don't know what others feel.
Okay.
That's what
And
I feel.
what is
Because
the
then
alternative is what I don't know.
what you just said, that after acknowledging what was blocking you to achieve whatever they had to do, whatever they
Okay.
wanted to do. Don't you
ये
think
तो
so?
बोल सकते हैं.
Let's ask
Yes,
opinion
it's
from
mainly
everybody.
becoming aware and acknowledging.
Correct. So it's not about stress release or tension release like you were putting it. It's
कि
different.
stress अच्छा okay
Is
करने
this,
के बाद
is
वाला
this to
stress
bring your
थोड़ा सा निकलता है.
focus, to
Yeah,
bring your focus
right.
to the
Yeah.
to the
Yeah.
moment,
Yeah.
to live in
Actually,
the moment,
you are in the moment.
Yeah.
Very true.
live in the moment, to bring your focus at this moment to yourself, and whatever you're trying to do, you get all your energies in one
Yes.
place.
हाँ, और उसके बाद में जब तुम काम करना शुरू करो ना, सच में पूरे एनर्जी के साथ कर पाते हो.
Okay.
मैंने पूरा टेक्स्ट बुक इससे लिखा है. मेरे को 3rd, 4th, 5th के लिए टेक्स्ट बुक लिखने के लिए दे दिया. उनके लिए मैं मिडिल स्कूल का कर रही थी. मैंने कहा उस लेवल की मेरे को लैंग्वेज नहीं आती है जल्दी से. आई हैवंट टॉट दैट क्लास. तो क्या नहीं, अभी कोई नहीं मिल रहा, आपको ही करना है. तो मैं क्या करती थी, सारा सब तैयारी कर रहे, मुझे मालूम है जाना क्या है, लेकिन वो लैंग्वेज नहीं आ रही थी. आई वुड सिट एंड टैप इवन दो आई कैन नॉट राइट. I depend completely forgive and accept myself. I chose to write. And then मैं 1-1.5 घंटा लिखती थी. फिर लग जाती थी, फिर ये करती थी। ऐसे मैंने दिन में 10-10 घंटा बैठ के लिखा है।
But don't you
Chitra,
think for this, you need to be at least a person who's accepting it, and that unless, because if there's somebody who will come who's not even that accepting stage,
Yeah.
for them to even do this anything, यार ये क्या हो रहा
No,
है,
I will not take them on. So my first thing is whether
Yeah.
this technique works for you.
Yeah.
If breathing shifts, that means it's working.
And if it doesn't shift, then that means you're not ready to
Then I
acknowledge.
will say thank you, sorry, you are not ready for it as yet. This technique
Yeah.
is not for you. Definitely, 110%. Like I can't make my father do this at all.
Yeah.
He's absolutely very strong-headed. Nothing should affect him. Nothing should change him. Nothing should change his way of thinking and looking at things. So it doesn't work at all for him. And there are those who will come and say कि हाँ कि एक ही बार में इसका सारा सीख लेने, फिर बाद में जाके मैं करूँगी. They are not paying attention to the present. They are focusing on कैसे हो रहा है उसको याद करने में. उनके लिए भी नहीं काम करता. तो एक दो बार उनको समझाती हूँ कि first experience it. Then I will give you the sheet, etc. Everything, you don't have to learn this by heart. And और इसीलिए मेरे प्रोग्राम में पहले 4 दिन जो है, फर्स्ट दिन पे ये ऐसे इंट्रोड्यूस करने के बाद में बाकी 3 दिन कोई ना कोई टॉपिक लेके उनको रिपीट करवाती हूँ जो उनमें कैसे कोई सब्जेक्ट रहता है, और इसीलिए कि उनको सारे स्टेप्स याद हो जाएं एंड दे कैन डू इट विद ईज. वो 4 दिन सिर्फ इसके लिए है, इसलिए ज्यादा कंटेंट मैटर की मेरे को प्रिपेयर करने की जरूरत नहीं है.
I think you need to do a survey properly. जो आपके already clients हो चुके हैं या जो इस टाइप के हैं, a good survey will really help you to get the right name and to get the right.
मैंने सर्वे भी मेरा भेजा है ड्राफ्ट. I forgot to tell you yesterday to see that.
Okay, where have you sent it?
वो गूगल फॉर्म में ही सबमिट किया है.
नहीं, where have you sent it?
Where have you
sent it?
अपलोड किधर किया आपने?
अपलोड वहीं पर वो गूगल शीट में जहाँ पर जो हमने सर्वे बनाया था ना, वहीं पर मैंने तेरे को सेंड किया, तो तेरे जीमेल में ही आया होगा.
Google group में.
I'll send it again.
I don't think I've seen anything. Google group में डाला आपने?
Google में ही डाला था.
So देख लो कहाँ डाला है.
हाँ.
But good session.
Send it again.
Thank you, Suchita. It was a good session.
Thank you. In fact, thank you to give me this opportunity to tell you what I'm doing.
Thank you, Shitra.
चित्रा वो एक क्वेश्चन डाला था.
Give me 1 hour of yours, please.
And your
My cheek
question.
set is still tingling.
Oh wow.
What?
तो तुम शाइन करने लगी हो चित्रा.
And your program definitely is not on stress, Suchitra. That I'm sure now.
No,
So stop
my
thinking about it.
I write down.
Sanjay ji?
I don't do this. I write down and I tear it up and I throw it, and that's my stress bus.
हाँ निकल जाता है उससे.
मैं लेती नहीं. मैंने सचमुच बताया. I'm very old.
लेकिन वो लिखने के लिए वो acknowledgement
I want everyone to be happy and be at peace and accept. अगर मुझे नहीं आता मैं बोल देती हूँ मुझे नहीं आता. I will never put up a front कि I can do it. I can't.
Chitra, you are the rock star.
And
Shipra, I'll just steal a moment. Shipra, I found an excellent way of generating email database. There are a couple of organizations who are like all over India. They have like members from all across India, and all big corporate people, you know, HR, Flana, companies. So it doesn't matter from which background you come. End of the day, you're all humans and you have your own issues, right?
Yeah.
So now I was thinking to do survey. I told them, I said, I'll do it for free, but I'll do it with the voting part, that what topic do they want or what do they need, instead of me telling you what do I want to do. So I thought this will be a good thing to know the audience and also to generate email IDs. So now I will disturb you for the survey questions once, that how can I not make it very direct, still ask them and get the details also.
Okay, let's talk separately on, because that's another way of getting data. There's lots and lots of ways of doing this and getting data. We'll take one by one and we'll talk about it.
Yeah, ठीक है. So one can I disturb you?
एक चीज और मैंने notice की.
4 o'clock.
कि सर्वे वाला जब आता है ना रिजल्ट रिस्पॉन्स, यू कांट सी इंडिविजुअल रिस्पॉन्स, वो पूरा समरी ही आती है.
No, you can easily. You can see
अच्छा, तो वो मेरे
in
को
the
नहीं
Google
मिल रहा
Sheet. We'll show you. We'll show you one by one. ठीक है, no problem.
ठीक है, so
अभी because we'll talk. But I'll do is just message me because I'm stepping out right now. Just to get
please.
my
I'll discuss it around 3-4ish. Not before
cool.
that.
Let's talk.
Yeah.
Done.
4 o'clock today.
Yeah, today.
4 o'clock. 4 o'clock. Done. Bye.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you all very
Thank you,
much.
Suchitra. Thank you, everyone.
Bye.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank
Thank you,
you.
Sujitra. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Suchitra.
जिम के लिए when can I talk to you?
विजल, हम कब कनेक्ट करेंगे?
कल